This is Rabiul Islam, the English teacher, Uchutia Hafizia and Alim Madrasa. I am starting my class with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear viewers, what's up? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah at the time of coronavirus. I am also fine. In my previous class, I discussed with you about simple, complex and compound sentence and their structure. As usual, today I will teach you how to change complex to simple, including conjunction so without wasting time, let's see the formula and example. Complex to simple including conjunction formula oblique rules. First clause of the sentence plus to oblique in order to plus main verb of second clause plus remaining part after verb of second clause. Let's see example. We study so that we can acquire knowledge. This is complex sentence. You have to transform this sentence into simple according to above formula or rules. First of all, you have to give first clause of the sentence. First clause here, we study. First clause, we study. We study. Then to oblique in order to, in lieu of so that, to oblique in order to replacing so that, to oblique in order to. You can give anyone, to and in order to same. We study, we use only to. We study to, then main verb of second clause. Second clause here we can acquire knowledge and main verb of second clause acquire. So we study to acquire. Then main verb of second clause, then remaining part after verb of second clause. After verb, remaining part, knowledge. So, knowledge. Dear viewers, full sentence, we study to acquire knowledge. This is simple sentence. Because from previous class, we learned in a simple sentence consists of only a single subject, a single finite verb and there is no conjunction. Okay, let's see the another example. According to the formula, you have to give first clause. First clause here, we eat balanced diet. We eat balanced diet. First clause, we eat balanced diet. Then you have to give to oblique in order to. We use here in order to. Dear learners, you should keep in mind that you can give to oblique in order to. You can give anyone to or in order to. They are same. We eat balanced diet in order to. Then main verb of second clause. Second clause here, we can be healthy and main verb here be. Main verb here be. So be. Then remaining part after verb of second clause. After verb remaining part healthy. So healthy. The full sentence, we eat balanced diet in order to be healthy. This is a simple sentence. You should keep in mind that you need not give we and can, because we know that in a simple sentence only a single subject and a single finite verb. So you need not give we and can. Just you have to give to oblique in order to in lieu of so that, then main verb of second clause, then remaining part of verb. So dear learners, one is for homework. Open your exercise book and write down the sentence. I will check the sentence another class. He went to Dhaka. He went to Dhaka so that he could buy a laptop. This is your homework. Finally, I am summarizing my class how to change complex to simple including conjunction so that. At first you have to give first clause of the sentence, then to oblique in order to in lieu of so that, then a main verb of second clause, then remaining part after verb of second clause. No more today. That's all for time being. See you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.